About 50 calls between 8 a.m. and 12 p.m. About 30 of those were deemed emergencies and an immediate response required.
The second time it happened about October of last year, but I don't think it was anywhere near this bad.
It's famously known as Vancouver, but even this has caught locals off guard, and it looks like it could get worse.
This is the first of a series. Storms like this develop along the south coast as we get into December, and then pushing all the way into January.
Across Vancouver, 30 to 60 millimetres of rain fell in a matter of hours. High winds battered much of the surrounding coastline, disrupting ferry schedules. Parts of the lower mainland saw roads and highways submerged, while in East Vancouver, flooding burst a water pipe, sending these employees scrambling to save their business.
All of a sudden, we had some water come out from under we thought it was the bathrooms, and then 5 minutes later, the entire floor was just flooded, like 3 or 4 inches of water, taking 20 of us to even get it under control, and it's still not even bad. It's still pretty bad.
Right now, we've got businesses on all sides of the street trying to battle with the flooding. There's one here with the hose just behind me. There's 2 businesses on the other side of the street also trying to block water coming in. And then there's one on this side as well who are also trying to block water coming in. The question here is, how prepared has the city of Vancouver been for this?
So we have staff out every day. Some staff are assigned strictly to monitoring catch basins and clearing those preventively. Others are responding to flood calls that we're receiving through 311.
But according to one employee here who wanted to remain anonymous, they did call the city and were told they couldn't help, instead being recommended private companies to assist the business with its flooding.
Everyone's keeping up. Everyone's doing a really good job, though. But our warehouse is still pretty flooded right now.
And while rain and high winds are forecasted for the rest of the week, up on the mountains, conditions are ripe for snow lovers.
On the snow side, every one of these storm systems that moves through has the potential to bring 20-30 centimeters of snow to the North Shore ski hills and up to Whistler, too. So good news there.
In Vancouver, Tom Walsh, City News.